And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
A great segue into the issues we have here right now. We could use some rain too. We're not quite at that level yet, but we would like to get some rain, and we have some. Sarah wrote me the other night. She was really bummed out because Tuesday, in the afternoon and evening, there was some storms for northern Rhode Island, and she lives in South County, and she was like, you know, Jeff, I could really use some rainfall, and she was kind of upset. So I said, give it some time. You got another chance coming on Thursday, and here we go. And she's in Richmond on the Route 2 side. Not only did she have a little rain with some thunderstorms just now, but she also had a little bit of small hail too, very small pea-sized hail. And most of the rainfall that's happening is towards the coast or south of Providence right now. Complete role reversal of what we went through on Tuesday, where areas north of Providence had most of the rain. I have the camera looking south. You can see some of those thunderstorms. They're not severe. There's no weather alerts. They're just rain with a little small hail, probably some big booms at times, like in the Warwick area, and I'll show you that cell in a moment, and a little lightning, but nothing is severe at this time. So we start off with an explosion of storms in areas of South County, and then they've moved now into southeastern Mass. There's another little cell developing just to the east of Voluntown, Connecticut, that will clip northwest South County here in a moment. But let's zoom in where the rainfall is now. Again, nothing is severe at this time. It's just some much needed rainfall. Just south of Rehoboth down towards Fall River along 195. Any kind of downpours that we have could cause some ponding on the roads for the drive home. It could slow things down if you travel through one of the thunderstorms or heavy downpours. The rain now extending towards like Lakeville and just about to get to New Bedford. Little Compton, you have some showers near you. And we're trying to get everybody a little rainfall that missed out on Tuesday. Here's a little closer look at Somerset with that rainfall. And there's 195 into the Fall River area. Let's go south towards Little Compton, where there's a pretty decent downpour just to your west. Moved out of Newport just moments ago. That'll bring some decent rainfall for you here in the next 15, 20 minutes. And then this is the loud one right now. This is near East Greenwich, West Warwick. Shirley Gentry was just on. I was talking to her through Sky One. I saw a little post. She said, where did that boom come from? Well, Shirley, here's the answer. It's right here. A little lightning, too. So West Warwick and Warwick, just south of Cranston right now, mainly moving northeast. So Barrington gets some rainfall soon, some heavy rainfall. And right now, it's mainly northern Rhode Island that's missing out, the same areas that had the rain Tuesday. And now we've turned our attention towards areas south and to the east. And I do think as we progress for the next hour or two, the best chance for thunderstorms and any kind of heavy rain will shift towards southeastern Mass before this thing wraps up pretty quickly this evening. It's not a prolonged rain event. Not everybody's going to have a downpour, but if you get some rain, it's a good thing. Temperatures today were warm, 80s, a little cooler in Newport with that thunderstorm cooling things off to 74, and the dew points creeped back up again, and they're near 70 degrees. So any kind of thunderstorm development produces heavy rain. That threat for thunderstorms shifts to southeastern Mass until about 8 p.m., and then it's just a matter of clearing the clouds out. It'll be a little bit cooler tonight, low to mid 60s, some fresher air moving in. That makes sense. A little drier tomorrow, not as humid, sunny and nice. Temperatures in the 80s, and for southeastern Mass, lots of 80s, and it turns out to be a fabulous Friday once the rainfall threat tonight moves on out. So Futurecast shows those showers and storms. We'll shift them to southeastern Mass between 6 and 8, and then they're out. We'll clear things out, get back into sunshine, and overall, Friday and the weekend look good. I bumped the temperature up a bit for tomorrow to 83. I had it at 81, left everything else the same, a little more humid or oppressive by Sunday, and the weekend is dry. Some chance of showers and storms come in on Monday, isolated chance on Tuesday, and then next week it gets interesting. Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe next Friday, we could be looking at 3 90-degree days. We could be looking at our first heat wave of the summer. Tiffany.
Say what?
Say what?
Thanks, Jeff. Still to come.